it's me Lexi and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to just do a little organizing around the house and in my closets and stuff, so I thought I'd take you guys along with me. But first I need some breakfast because I'm literally starving, and so I'm about to go to Tour Le Jour. It's a bakery and it's really good, so we're about to go here. I'm with my mom right now. Wellness check. How are we feeling today? I'm feeling mid because it's too early. Alright y'all, so I am back from Tour Le Jour. I don't know what it's called. And I got my coffee, but they didn't give me a straw, so I wanted to kind of run y'all through today's vlog. I want to be productive today and get some stuff done because I've just been on a spree of being productive. So in my previous video, you guys saw my closet. So right now, this is what my closet is currently looking like. When I tell y'all the closet looked so bad in here, it was super messy. It was stuff everywhere and I had to take a lot of stuff to my storage unit. I have a little storage unit here in my apartment complex. I think it's looking so good now, even though it's still got a long way to go. I think it looks good. I really wish I could change this light from yellow to a bright white, but I don't think I can. I'm gonna ask my dad. Quick question. Can these can lights be changed from yellow?
Is it just a bulb in the ceiling, or is it like
it's covered up with, yeah, it's a can. It's covered up with a flat thing.
I don't think so. I think you have to change the whole fixture.
Dang. Apparently, that's a no. I have to leave it. But as y'all can see, I have all my shoes there. And right now, I have all my winter clothes in here. A lot of these clothes I don't even wear. I'm not gonna wear. I don't plan to wear. I haven't worn. And I just need to do a really big decluttering of clothes that I don't wear and that I know for a fact I'm literally never gonna wear. I need to just get those clothes out of here. Also, these are like all my other shoes that are not like Jordans, basically. And I have this little I had this little rickety shoe rack that I got from my mom's house. It doesn't really hold that much shoes, so I went ahead and ordered a bunch of these shoe racks from the Container Store. Literally, y'all, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's like 8 of these. But this is what they look like. And they just stack on top of each other and hold a lot more shoes. So right now, my mom's currently putting these together. We already have one down. She's working on this next one. And yeah, so we're gonna use these. I'm kind of doing nothing. What should I be doing?
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me.
All right, y'all, so this is the shelf that I just built. I have this one over here too. I don't know what took me so long to build this because it's so easy to build. Now what I'm gonna do, so that it's not too much going on in here, I'm gonna take all of this stuff out, all of these shoes. If you guys can't tell, there's literally a whole clothing rack in here. I'm gonna take this clothing rack and just put it out there because I want to put one of these down there, but the clothing rack is literally right here. So right now, I'm gonna empty all this stuff out my closet so that I can get these in. Also, these are from the Container Store, if you were wondering. Okay, so I took all the shoes out and it honestly looks so much better when you don't see a bunch of shoes all over the floor. So I think these shelves are really gonna help just have a more organized look. This is how the shelves are looking. They look really, really good. These are perfect for renters because you can just kind of take this apart and bring it to wherever. But I'm very happy with this. I'm gonna go ahead and start switching all my shoes over. I still have to get one built, but it's coming. This makes it look way more organized in here. This is gonna look 10 times better, so I'm excited. But let's go ahead and put all my shoes away. Took out the pink carpet that I had in here, and it just kind of helps everything look a little neater and more organized. But these shelves are super cool. I have all my shoes. I think now I'm gonna go ahead and go through all of these articles of clothing and see what I want to keep and what I want to give away. I'm gonna use this rack, this clothing rack, to kind of decide what I want to keep and what I want to not keep. And the stuff I'm gonna give away, I'm gonna put on the rack, and the stuff I'm gonna keep, I'm gonna hang up.
Fading, I got somewhere else to be. I'ma need you 'cause I love you and you're broken. You're the devil, you don't care how I feel. Yeah, I could get used to the magic of your love, but I know it's too good to be true. Yeah, I could get used to the magic of your touch. Yeah, I keep coming back to you.
So I went ahead and took out all the clothes that I just felt like I wasn't gonna wear. Next thing that I got to kind of organize my closet is this. I'm supposed to put hats on here because I have a lot of hats, but this says it holds 9 to 18 caps. So, okay, so I think I'm supposed to put this at the top and the bottom and then put this on it. Let's see. I think I have to shorten it because my door is not that big. It just kind of attaches with these little hooks on the top and on the bottom. Then I should be able to just put my hats on here. I want to know if I can spread these out. Okay, let's see if I can fit all these. So this is what it ended up looking like. I don't know. I'm trying to see, like, are they really gonna stay on there? Okay, they're staying pretty good. All right. I was gonna say, like, this might get on my nerves having to open the door, but honestly, I think it's not bad. And actually, every single one of my fitteds fit on here perfectly. That's actually a pretty good device here. So let's move on to the next thing that I got to help organize my closet. As you guys can see, I have these shelves that used to be in like my bedroom like years ago when I lived at my mom's house. But with these shelves that I've been having in my closet for so long, I kind of just been putting junk in it. I'm gonna go ahead and use this as purse storage and store all my purses, because y'all, I have a lot of purses and I like them to be stored nicely somewhere. I'm about to show y'all this really cool organizer that I got. Pretty sure it's off Amazon. So I got these, which are just some like purse dividers that help me stack my purses like next to each other without them falling over. I didn't think these were gonna come in handy as much as they do. And also, you guys, every single thing that I'm using in this video I will link in the description for you guys if you're interested in it. Let me show y'all how these work. So this is kind of what they look like. They fit into each other very nicely so they won't like move around. And now I could just stack all my purses nicely in these little cubbies. Okay, so this is the fun part. I got all my bags here on the floor and I'm about to see which configuration I like the best over here on my shelf, which is the cutest, all of that. So let's go ahead and see. Alright, so here everything is. I utilized all of these little dividers. These actually come in really great handy. I didn't think I'd use them as much as I do. But now I'm going to take all of this. This is pretty much like purse essentials that I like to pack up my purse with before going out or whatever. As you can see, it is all over the place right now, but I think I want to move this from my other closet into this closet since I have all of my purses in here. So I'm gonna just use these bins and try to organize this in a way that makes sense. I don't even know how I'm gonna organize this because I only have 2 bins. Hey guys, so it's actually been a couple hours since I picked up this camera. I went to a whole movie day and came back. But I want to show y'all, when I was gone, my dad came over and he did something really cool in my closet. He put up this panel light for me and it just kind of sits right there at the top of my closet and the cord runs down. And y'all, this is what it looks like without the light on. And this is what it looks like with the light on. It literally is 10 times brighter in here. Like, I could go in the corner of this room and it's still so bright. So I am so happy. Now y'all can see how bad my makeup is coming off. But anyway, I am so happy with this light. It is gonna be perfect for the get ready with me. Next up on my little closet makeover, I want to show y'all, I got these are some acrylic circles, y'all. These are basically some belt holders and I got these off of Amazon. And you basically just put your belt inside of this and it kind of magnetizes. I actually don't know what the magnet is for. There's a magnet on each one. Let me show y'all how it works. Basically, you'll just wrap it up and place it inside like that, and then you have a little belt holder. So it looks like this. You can just stack them up on top of each other and it keeps your belts really organized and actually displays them kind of nicely as well. So I'm gonna just put all my belts in here. Now I'm just gonna stack these up. So this is what it looks like, and it's just a perfect way to store your belts, honestly. Like, and it looks good. It doesn't look a hot mess. So also I went ahead and put all my wallets and different things inside of these bins down here. I went ahead and just did the wallets instead of like all my purse supplies, just because I didn't have enough space for it. Overall, I think my closet looks really good so far. Alright guys, so it is the next day and I am finally finished with my closet. I think it turned out great. I ended up adding this pink ottoman to the middle of my closet. I think it's cute. I could sit right there and put on my shoes. All of these turned out so good and I'm really happy with it. Now, obviously, you guys, I have way more clothes than what you see in here. And to be honest, this is just my guest room closet. My main closet is in my bedroom. So I'm going to show y'all that real quick because obviously all my clothes could not fit in here. These are literally just my winter clothes. And when it's summer, I'm going to put all my summer clothes in here. So I'm going to show y'all where my other clothes are. So this is my main closet right here, you guys. This is kind of like my more functional closet. This closet is still kind of a work in progress. I have these really nice hangers so I can hang up my jeans long ways and kind of save as much space as I can. And then I just kind of have like my crop tops and stuff over here. But I'm still working on getting this closet just really organized and looking as good as my other closet. But in case you guys are wondering, here is where all of my other clothes are. And this is kind of where I get all my clothes for the morning. And then I'll just head to my other closet to pick out my accessories and my shoes and my purse. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog of me redesigning, kind of reorganizing and redecorating my whole closet. If you guys are interested in anything I use in today's video, I will have everything linked down below in the description of this video. So if you want anything I used, just click the description. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got some tips on how you can organize your closet. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.